Let me show you exactly how to manage hundreds of social media pages, TikTok, Instagram, without ever getting banned or flagged. Now, this is a method used by OnlyFans agencies, mass posters, by Clippers, by UGC Farms, and it's the same method I used myself to post mass UGC for myself and my clients. So let's get into it. First, what you'll need is Go Browser or Go Login. Well, what this does is this is an anti-detect browser. Basically, what it helps you do is disguise your fingerprint, not real fingerprint, the fingerprint you leave as you visit websites, and helps you disguise yourself, right? So Instagram doesn't think, or TikTok doesn't think all of the traffic is coming from the same person, right? So you'll first need an anti-detect browser. I found Go Browser be one of the best options. All you need to do is download, install it, log in, and then you'll be almost ready to do this. Now, what you need as an extra security, as an extra way to protect your accounts from being flagged, are proxies. This is super important if you're trying to target American audiences on TikTok, American audiences on Instagram, right? If you want to appear as if you're from USA, the traffic you send to an app, to Instagram and TikTok, should look like you're posting from USA, right? So what you'll need for that are proxies, and more importantly, static residential proxies. Basically, what they are IPs of static IPs, right? They don't change, of one place, a residential place, not a warehouse with servers, but of businesses that share their IPs, basically, right? So you don't need to dig into that. You just need to know that you need it, right? So the most affordable ones and the best ones I found are proxy/ipv4.com. I'll leave the link in the description. I'm not sponsored, I cannot even say, but this is what you should use. Or if you find any other alternative, feel free to use that. I don't care what you use, but you need static residential proxies. So here you can buy it for a couple of days, and once you buy it, you'll get some information that we'll need to put into our Go Browser profile. So whenever you load it up, it looks like you're actually in the USA, right? So how do you do that? Well, you click Add Profile, right? You can of course name the profile, and you add your proxy. Here you will add the IP of your proxy. Here will be the login. It will all be provided. Here will be the password, right? It will all be provided. Don't worry about it. If you need, you can check the proxy. Well, you will need to check the proxy. It will say valid, invalid. It's not that hard, right? If anything, just contact the support. But basically here, once you buy it, you'll have a list. Everything is super simple. It's like Google Sheet. And you add it here, and that's it. You can edit the time zone, add any extensions you want, upload bookmarks right away. So for example, TikTok, all of that good stuff. Change geolocation to block it, or change it to a USA one, which is probably something you should do. Here you can refresh the fingerprint, right? So you have the screen resolution, platform, all of that stuff. You can refresh it every time you create a profile. And simple as that, right? Here, new fingerprint, and it refreshes, gives you a new one, so you don't get caught. So test one, no, right? Create profile, and here you go, we have the test, right? Usually what I used to do is create a bunch of these and then edit them through settings, because it's easier to you just paste proxy right here, change the language, change the time zone, geolocation, refresh fingerprint if needed. You have the overview, everything right here, right? But once you do that, you can just run it and see how easy it is. It will boot up Chrome. Yeah, I did not connect the proxy now, but you'll see something that looks like this. This is just a Google Chrome tab that's independent from all of your your computer. Basically, it's different. You can actually run tests like IP checker to check out the status of your account, of your, I don't know, proxy and all of that good stuff. It should say you're from United States. It should say you're not restricted. And once you have that, for example, let's try to go, well, I didn't add a proxy now, but what you'll be able to do is simply manage the account, right? Go to TikTok, go to Instagram, and it will all be based in the US if you're using US proxy. And you can manage as many accounts as you want, create as many profiles as you need, and this way you will never get flagged for creating mass accounts, for making duplicate accounts. You'll never get banned if you do this method. Again, it's Go Login, Go Browser, an anti-detect browser paired with some proxies, static residential proxies. Now, if you don't have content to post for the mass accounts, I suggest you take a look at Vidrain. Vidrain is a UGC content creation platform that helps you create viral user-generated content like these videos that I made for my clients with the captions and all of that good stuff by using footage of yourself. Usually this is done for you now. In the future it might change, but as you can see, everything is recorded for you, done for you. Face of yourself, of me, whatever you want, we'll get it done for you. Now, even if you have the account, you still need to warm them up. That's why in the next video, if you want to see how to mass warm up accounts on TikTok, on Instagram, I suggest you check out this video. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.